Yeah, that will look good. Staining our porch. What y'all doing? What, baby?
Hey, guess what? This is probably like my 7th sausage roll.
Wow. Oh, what is that? What is that?
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
How do you spell that?
S-H-O-R-E.
Okay, we'll get it off of her foot with your gloves. Hi, baby.
Big Miss Flowers for my friend.
Oh, that's sweet. You're having a party?
It's a sunny day and I'm about to eat a banana and we are cutting down trees. Mommy is cutting down trees and Jonah is helping too.
We're pruning.
We're pruning the trees. I don't know what that means. And Daddy was making a shake. That is all the trees. That is a lot of trees. There's Daddy and he's bringing the shakes. And see, we're just cutting. Jonah's helping. I'm really tired. I just wanna go inside, just play.
Explain to you all the things that he can do inside.
The boys started screaming. Actually, Jaden made Jonah scream and it woke her up. She was not ready. She's just sleepy. Poor baby. You little brothers, huh? And we have just turned this into a whole project. We're taking down all the mesquite ones because they're very prickly. And I kind of want to be able to like walk up in through here. Maybe plant some stuff, but it's all pretty shaded nicely. And I found a nest. I don't know if anything's gonna go.
I've never done it with the extended bed before.
Wow, that's cool. That's a lot of stuff for a impromptu tree cutting. Whoa, Jonah, cool.
Hey.
No, he was one.
Can you see?
What's Bubba do? Are you in Pop's race car?